Kasi may mga person.
What's that? Oh no, she's scared because it's water.
I know there's no swimming pool there, Holly.
Come and have a walk. Harley, come and have a walk. You stay there.
You stay with Mama, Holly. Good morning! Say good morning, Reka. Ay, ayaw. Ito na yung ba. Ay, we're still waiting for our buggy. Super cute na outfit ni Riker. Let me see your outfit, Baba.
That's Mommy's house.
Is that Mommy's house?
Okay, that's what we're calling it on this trip. That's Mummy's house.
Mommy's house na naman siya. Oh, I want that. Ang cute din ng outfit ni ate. I got that from Big W. Ang ganda ng tsinelas na yan eh. See?
So pretty.
Kape tayo, guys. Nag-omelette na ako. And yung kids nag-pancake and banana bread. Si Harley, of course, gulay and pancake. Pinag-cellphone ko, ang likot eh. Like she's playing with the necklace na binigay nila kagabi. Ben's still eating.
These nuts are really healthy, love.
Yeah, the pumpkin.
You ate all her tomatoes.
I always just have omelette
Why does she
sa
like tomatoes
almusal,
so
you guys.
much? I don't get it.
And maganda kasi meron silang pag-green juice. So I got celery and with orange and cucumber. Kasi yun lang yung gulay nila. And carrots. Pero hindi ko nilagay yung carrots. Celery, cucumber, and orange lang. And Harley had some. So after neto baka punta kami ng kids club. Mahangin, guys. So hindi siya ganun kainit. Kuha din pala ako ng chia pudding, guys. Mango chia pudding and nilagyan ko ng peach. Oh my God, look at the beach, you guys. It's nice. Harley. Oh, it's so beautiful, you guys. Si Riker, gusto nang pumunta sa kids club. Oh, Holly's favorite. She's an island girl. My island princess. You guys, they do horse riding sa beach dito. Sana gawin ni Riker with me. Riker, do you wanna do it with Mama? Horse riding? Riker, you ride on the pony. No? Makano naman to. Ayan, we're here at the kids club now, you guys. Planet Trekkers. Can we leave you here? Okay, bye. See you later. We can't go to the kids club, you guys, kasi meron silang activity session. And it's only for 4 to 12 years old. And then after 12:30 pa matatapos yun, then they can do pre-play for an hour lang kasi meron na naman silang activity. So it's not like other kids club na pwede lang silang pumasok and maglaro. Kaloka. Buti hindi nagwala tong isa. Check natin yung pool area. Sana okay yung tubig. Hindi kasi ganun kainit. Check the water. Daddy's just gonna check the water. Yeah, it's nice in the sun, but when the wind. Daddy's just gonna check the water. It's cold. But the sun's out anyway. We're off to the pool, guys. Ay, hindi ko pala kayo na-charge. It's okay. Ready ng kiddos. Carly nagda-dancing sa water aerobic. Water zumba. Kanina sumasayaw siya eh. Naray ka nandyan. Yan guys, nagbabat na yung mga bata. Yung bathtub pala nandito sa labas. Look at the view. Oh, so nice. Diba? Medyo windy lang. Look at that. Ta-da! So nice, no? Highland girl ka? Ang ganda. Diyan. Mag-order na lang kami ng room service dito guys kasi relax ang mga kids. Pag relax sila, relax din kami. Right babe? If they're relaxed, means we're relaxing too. Ayan pala yung infinity pool nila guys. Adult pool nga lang yan. Bawal ang kids. We're gonna find somewhere to eat. Ayan, they can watch TV there. Si Riker nakakuha ng bread niya. Mamaya pala may pa-movie sila. Kids movie outside. Ayan, meron silang pa-kids movie dun outside. They're setting it up. So, we're gonna watch there. Oh, they probably ordered first. Okay, so we're just waiting for our lunch, you guys. Pero nag-order kami ng kape ni Ben. So, latte yung akin. Ayan, kain tayo guys. Chips and chicken for the kids. And Caesar salad kami ni Ben. Ayan. Diyan tayo manonood ng movie mamaya. So, popcorn. Ano sila dyan? We'll walk back. Riker's asleep pala you guys. Si Ben and Harley nasa labas. Ayan, it's 4:20. Maya, gisingin ko na rin yan. Riker, are you ready to watch a movie? It's not dark yet. Ayun o, nakaset up na dun.
We're gonna go have bread.
Okay, we'll have bread somewhere.
I want bread in there.
Okay. Ang cute! Harley's relaxing, you guys. I don't know what they're gonna want. Ang ganda nito kapag madilim na.
We promise. Down from there.
Ayan, nag-order pala ako ng mimosa, guys. Si Ben. No alcohol. Ayan, relax sila. Mamaya na kayo manood ng movie. Hindi pa naman nag-i-start kasi kakadilim lang. So, nag-order kami dito ng dinner namin. Dito ulit kami. Kung saan kami nag-lunch kanina. Relax lang for today. Ayan, kain tayo. Nag-order akong kimchi fried rice. Thank you. And nuggets for the kids. Thank you. And Caesar salad for Ben. Kain. So, we had a really relaxing day today lang. Kain tayo. Guys, yun din ah. Right, there's still some, there, bread. Hindi man to kimchi fried rice. Nasa side yung kimchi. Ayan guys, uwi na daw kami dahil mahangin, malamig. And hindi naman alam ng kids yung movie. Yung Bad Guys, yung bago. So they're not gonna sit down there. What's in there? Oh, you wanna look at the shop? Oh, it's full, the restaurant as well, babe.